I don't really know where to go right now. Alright, I see a cop. I'm gonna go ask.
A ver.
Where to go?
Permiso, crucero del norte, usted viaja a...
Okay, so somebody just drew me this. I have no idea what that means. So I'm gonna be here for the next 18 hours or so, and I have met some random French girl. What is up, guys? Marcus here. We are back with another video. So today is kind of a big day. In a few hours, I'm gonna be jumping on a bus, and I'm gonna be on that bus for roughly 18 hours. I will be going to Iguazu Falls, one of the most beautiful places in South America. And this trip kind of jumped up, and I booked it 1 week ago. So I'm gonna be showing you guys kind of how I get there. We're gonna be taking the vlog experience through it. Because when I was looking for how to get there, I couldn't find like a nice video showing exactly where you should go, which bus you should take, which terminal to go to, which airport to go to. So all of that is going to be outlined in this vlog style video. Just as a disclaimer to this video, I still don't know where I'm supposed to go, so I'm going to be finding it out throughout this video. So I'm going to pack, and then we're going to go find out where I'm supposed to be. I know the general area. It's in Retiro, right next to the infamous Villa 31, which is terrifying. So first thing we're going to do, I'm going to pack some food for the bus. I got to get moving though. The time is ticking, and I still have to figure out how I'm going to get there. So we're gonna bang these. Well, we're gonna pump these out. We're gonna make these sandwiches. Let's go. Okay, folks, just like that, we are ready to go. Fanny pack. We got water bottle. We got our thing. Okay, so if you're following Google Maps, it's gonna take you to the right after you get off the bus. So you get off the bus, you go to the right, and there's a big orange sign over here that says Estación de Omnibus. So the bus station is quite easy to find, and I'm here a full 1 hour earlier than when my bus is supposed to take off, which is actually a good amount of time. I don't really know where to go right now, so I'm just looking at my phone to see if it tells me where to go. Okay, we're walking up the stairs. There's a bunch of ticket sellings here, so I'm gonna go see if I can find which bus I chose and ask the ticket person where I'm supposed to be going. All right, I see a cop. I'm gonna go ask where I'm supposed to go. Permiso. Es mi primera vez acá.
Hola.
No sé dónde debo ir, pero tengo un ticket, a boleto. ¿Conoces dónde?
A ver.
Where to go?
Permiso, crucero del norte, usted viaja a Puerto Iguazu.
Puerto Iguazu, sí. Allá.
Para aquel lado está.
Okay. Bueno. Gracias.
Gracias.
Okay, well, I'm supposed to go this way apparently. So I entered and I'm walking towards the back. She said Puerto Iguazu is all the way to the back. So let's just walk and see where we go. So as we walk, there's just a bajillion different brands of buses. And I guess I'm just looking for mine. Okay, I'm following the signs that say Noreste because I think that means north. It's pointing this way. Okay, after being lost for a bit, I'm seeing on my card here, the transport is called Crucero del Norte. And if I look here, Crucero del Norte, Crucero del Norte, Crucero del Norte. So I'm gonna go find them and ask where I'm supposed to be right now. Okay, so somebody just drew me this. I have no idea what that means, but 40? Okay guys, here's my understanding so far. So in between platforms 37 and 55 are the ones going north. So I think mine is 40, but I'm gonna go ask again because now I see that all of these mention Iguazu. So I'm definitely getting closer, but I'm gonna go ask one more time which platform I'm supposed to be waiting at. Okay guys, success. So I stopped at the ticket vendor upstairs in front of the platforms of 37 and 55, and that's where I found, she gave me the ticket, she gave me the receipt and everything, she told me exactly where to go. So I'm gonna go wait at platform 45, and then they're gonna tell me exactly which bus stop to use. We made it. Kind of smells sweaty up in here, and the seats are smaller than I thought it would be. I think I should have upgraded to the next biggest seat for only 10,000 more. But I mean, I get a really nice view. Look at this. So that's gonna be nice. It's really warm right now, but maybe we're not moving yet, and I don't really know what to do with my backpack. There's not really anywhere to put it. Hoping nobody sits beside me and I can put it on the chair beside me. That would be really nice. So I'm gonna be here for the next 18 hours or so, and let's see how it goes. Okay folks, it is about 9 o'clock and we have finally arrived here. The bus ride, it wasn't too bad. I slept most of the time. I have met some random French girl. We gotta go find our hostel now, so overall not too bad. It was a little bit smelly in the bus and uncomfortable, but we made it so far. One more thing to note along that bus ride was it got... Oh my god. Okay, as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, hey! It was really hot in the bus. I actually think I should have upgraded my seat. I had the semi-cama for like 70,000 pesos. Maybe I should have gone for the, what's it called?
Okay.
What's the next one called? Semi-cama or?
Cama.
What?
Cama.
Just cama. Should have gone for the cama, the bed, because it was smelly up there. It was really hot. I did get the front seat though, so I got to like look out the front window the whole time. That was really nice.